guys, I was asked what apps come pre-installed by default on your iPhone 11 Pro. It's actually like all other iPhones. You guys will see these apps right here. If I go here, it's all these ones as well. If you guys don't know what Keynote is, that's like PowerPoint, numbers like Excel, Pages is like Microsoft Word. GarageBand, edit audio, iMovie, edit your videos that you're taking here. You guys can create some pretty neat stuff. And then there's these other default ones. You guys can download Google Maps into it, so you don't have to use the maps from Apple, by the way. I get that question a lot. There's social media, everything that you want to download really, and it's free. It's right here in the App Store, plus paid apps, obviously. But this would be it. These are all the default apps that you guys get pre-installed on your new iPhone 11 Pro. Everything else you will have to download using your Apple ID, which, by the way, you guys can set up an Apple ID without ever needing a credit card. I do have a video about that. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write it down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.